It's raining. Rainy day.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another one of my video. Happy to have you here, guys. And in today's video I'm gonna be frying some chicken. And after I uploaded the how to cut up a whole chicken video, with that chicken sitting in the fridge, guys, I'm like, it's perfect timing to use this chicken coating mix Kentucky style that I showed you in the grocery haul video. It's been raining outside, it's perfect timing to stay indoors and show you how I use this mix. So let's get into the video. Chicken seasoned from the night, and this is the chicken coated mix. This, I have an egg that I'm gonna be just whisking up. I find this to be salty, and then for the amount of chicken I have, sometimes it's not enough, and I don't really like using 2 packets. 1 packet is enough, so I would add some flour. This is 8 tablespoons I measured. And here I have my oil, guys. So guys, the proper way to break an egg is over a separate container that you're not going to use, because you're not sure if the egg is good or bad. Now that I break the egg in a container and the egg is good, then it's safe to pour it in the container I'm going to use. The packet here says coat your chicken with the egg white. Would want to follow the direction of the packet is fine, but you could, yeah, egg white is fine alone, as well as I choose to use the egg yolk, the entire egg. With the egg white I may have to end up using 2 eggs or 3 eggs, so that is why I didn't use just the egg white. Now I'll open the chicken coating mix onto the 8 tablespoons of flour. And then I'll just mix it up. So I'll put, I like to wipe my hands, guys, as I go along. I touch other things, I like to wipe my hands. And then with my chicken coated, guys, with the egg, then I'm gonna put it into the flour and then fry. Yeah, here I have garlic. I'm just gonna drop it in the oil when frying, because I like to use garlic. It flavors. Garlic is like antibiotic, guys. It's good for you. So guys, I'm putting my oil in the fryer. You could use the stove top if you like also, guys, but I rather today use the fryer. That's enough oil. So I'm just going to be covering this for it to fry for like a minute now. So it's frying very slowly, guys, which is good. I'm just getting the, it's on the fryers on 320 degrees. The garlic, a piece of the garlic here, because the garlic gives the oil flavor, and the garlic, as I said, is good for you. Poultry, the safe temperature should be 185 degrees Fahrenheit. I guess that's for like a whole chicken, and for pieces 165 degrees Fahrenheit for pieces of chicken. And beef and pork, for beef and pork medium rare would be 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Beef and pork, I guess well done, 170 degrees Fahrenheit. And this is medium. I can hardly see, it's 160 something degrees Fahrenheit for beef and pork medium. So you have medium rare, well done. But then they say pieces of chicken should be 165, the safe temperature, or above, so your meat should be like these temperatures. So it's good to have a thermometer. If you don't have a thermometer, you could yeah, you know, you would check your chicken by checking the meat on inside it's not running bloody. I guess some people like their chicken, what do they call it, rare, meaning when there is a blood on the inside. There you go, guys. That's the color of the chicken. I like this color, nice golden brown color. And I know the inside is cooked because I did not change the degree temperature. It's at 320 on the, it's cooking at 320 on the fryer leg, but I think I'm gonna get the leg to cook some more. And guys, when cooking on a stove top, you have to be careful because sometimes oil splashes. That is why I like to cook with the fryer, because sometimes I cover it down. If you find it's not cooking fast enough, I would cover it down and, you know, get like just a couple of seconds. You have to stay by your fryer because you don't want your meat to burn, and then you would open up back. Yeah, as well as it I guess it tenderizes the chicken also when you cover it, but I don't want to cover it too long. So guys, the back is cooked. I don't even have to test the temperature on the back because the back is not so meaty. When you're testing meat, it's mostly the meaty part you want to test with the temperature. Like the part that has bones, then you don't need to worry too much. But so I'm just putting the chicken to drain, guys. I'll let you see it in a minute with the thigh. The leg. See, what I do, I poke my meat with the fork. If there's blood running out of it, then I still fry it. So yeah, it's a good idea to poke your meat so that it could cook faster on the inside, right? You poke it with a fork and then you let it fry. So in about like maybe a minute or so, I can take the leg out. And I think this leg has been here for almost 15 minutes now cooking. And then I'm just gonna turn the temperature back from 360 back to 340 so that the chicken that I just put in won't cook too fast. I like that color. It's well done on the inside, I know for sure. And so basically, while I'm off camera, guys, because you know I can't make the video too lengthy. While I'm off camera, what I do sometimes is I would either turn the temperature up or down or close the lid, leave it there for a second, and then I'm like poking the chicken so that it can cook. You know, if there's any liquid on the inside, blood or whatever it is, it will drain and then cook faster. While I was off camera also, I had one splatter, so you have to be careful because I put my garlic, or if I have the allspice, the pimento seed, I would put. There's none in this pot, but sometimes I do, and sometimes that causes the oil to splatter. And also the oil splatters when you poke the chicken too and the liquid is running out. After this, we're done. A bonus for you guys at the end. I won't tell you what the bonus is. Okay, so you just have to stay tuned for the bonus. And I don't like the way the breast is sticking a bit, so let me turn the temperature. Color is not bad, so I'm gonna poke it some more and get it to soak. Honestly, guys, I can't wait until the end, so I'm just gonna eat a piece of the chicken because it's so tempting. Oh my god, look at this. Look at the chicken. Well done. See? Well done. It's so good. It is truly good, guys. But wait until the end. I have a bonus at the end, okay? Delicious. Some sweet potatoes, and I peeled and just frying them with before the chicken is done. I had sweet potato here that I fried. I decided to fry a few pieces. To have with my chicken, my Kentucky style chicken. I am so excited. Potato bites are on its way. I love sweet potato with chicken. Oh my god, guys, I wish you guys were right here to taste what's cooking here. It's good. Good, guys, it's good. So guys, tell me if you agree with me frying the sweet potato with the chicken. Well guys, I just did. Maybe it's a good idea to have changed the oil, but yeah, like guys, come on, like honestly, to change the oil just for a few pieces of sweet potato, I'll be fine. Well guys, what do you think about this? And I'm going to put some of my celery here, because that's all I have for garnish, guys. I don't know if this is garnish, but for presentation purposes, guys. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. This chicken not only looks good, guys. Actually, let me put it here because I want you to see. So guys, come on, tell me now, what do you think, guys? What do you think about this chicken? It not only looks good, but it tastes good. KFC style chicken. Come on, give the video a thumbs up, like the video, guys, and let me know what it is that you would like for me to make. Okay guys, so now that I'm finished frying the chicken, now to do the taste test. I'm looking forward to doing the taste test. Okay. Here's the chicken, looking all delicious. Let me put it here in focus. And the sweet potato. Sweet potato is good, guys. Tasting the drumstick, the leg. Look at it, guys. Look at it. Well done. Look at the wings. Well done. I didn't even have to use the thermometer. Look at the breast. Well done. You guys, well done. And I'm gonna be getting into this leg. Well done, guys. Well done, chicken. So guys, please guys, give the video a thumbs up. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel, and welcome to those of you that are new to my channel. And maybe I should have a bite of the celery. Just in case you want to see the packet again. You can get it at, I think, like the Asian stores. You would be able to get this. In terms of commenting, guys, for those of you who are not understanding, you would just scroll all the way up to the end, all the way up, scroll all the way up, and then sometimes it says comment, and then in this case it's not saying that. It says go to comments, so you click on go to comments, and then there it is, guys. There's a comment section. You would just click there. Okay, and then you write your comment. And then you would just hit this thing and send the message to me. Yeah, you write your comment, click on the box, and then send your message to me. Okay, guys? For those of you, because not everybody is tech savvy, so I'm just showing you how to comment. You would, yeah, you're gonna have to like scroll up all the way. If you're on my channel here, then you're gonna just scroll all the way up until you see it says comment, all the way up past all the other videos, and then you're gonna click on go to comment. In some cases it doesn't say go to comment, it just show you the box to type in, and that's how you comment. Thank you, guys. See you in the next video.